guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox an Hermes bag. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell all notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. We went to the store without appointment. I felt so lucky because they still sold me the bag without appointment. We are here in the Hermes Store and we are waiting for the SA to bring the bag that I like to buy. Souhaitez-vous l'essayer, madame?
Ça se règle en longueur, l'anneau?
Non.
Non?
Non, mais c'est assez.
C'est bon?
Non, il n'y a pas de, ça ne se compte pas en termes de mois de délai, c'est juste une question de disponibilité.
So now guys, I am going to unbox the bag that we bought there. Voila, it is this one. So this is the bag, the packaging of Hermes. So I'm going to untie the ribbon. Charan. So it came with this. There is what do you call it, engrave in the paper, and there is this thing, the how to one is also, they said, I don't know it, I read in the internet that this color is gold, and with the hardware gold is the very difficult to find. So I think I am very lucky to get this one, this color and the hardware. But you know, the strap of this is not adjustable. You cannot adjust it. It will go until the hips, and it's okay for me. And I love small bags that are not so bulky, because I only bring my essentials, like the sanitizer, a small wallet, and I don't bring a lot of things. So that is the bag, and no, I don't want it. I don't want to open it. It is still sealed with plastic. Here also. I don't want to open. There is an Hermes name here engraved, and here also. So it's like that. That's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.